Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. This is another update video by my channel called Passive Income Platforms. Today is Monday, May 15th, 2023. Before we get started, I want to remind all of you, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not just a dude on YouTube showing you guys how I'm cranking out that crypto in many different platforms, nothing more and nothing less. Now, if you like this content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done. And if you want to be updated and notified about everything going on here on my channel called Passive Income Platforms, please make sure that you hit that notification bell as well. Always remember to invest as much as you can afford to lose. Don't put all your funds, all your hard-earned money into one platforms. You never know what's gonna happen tomorrow. The platforms, whatever, and whoever talks about any platforms, and he says about the legitimacy of the platforms, that's not true. Nothing is 100% guaranteed, and also nothing on this channel is a financial advice, but educational and entertainment purposes only. Okay. Today I'm going to give you an update about FinTocch. If you haven't watched the videos I uploaded about FinTocch platform, it's a decentralized lending wallet. Please make sure that you watch the FinTocch video that I uploaded on my channel. And also, please make sure that you subscribe into my Telegram channel. The link is down below in the comment section. And in my Telegram channel I upload some updates too about different platforms. Today I was trying to log into my FinTocch app, but I noticed that I'm not able to get into my wallet. So as you may see, when I click on it, it's not working. So there's no need to panic. I'm gonna delete the app. And this is another proof that I am in full control of my funds. So it's not in FinTocch custody. So when I remove this app and I re-download this wallet and I put the 12 words, different phrases, so I'll see my fund again into my wallet. So let me just remove the app. So I removed the app. Now on your browser, you could go to fintocch.com. You come down to this point here. It says download. I click on download. So it depends on if you have iOS or Android. So I have iOS. So I'm going to click on iOS to download the app. Free install. Click on this. So if you had Android, it would have been installed right away. But on iPhone, there is one extra step that we have to click on this allow. Oh, it says profile downloaded. So that means I already downloaded the FinTocch app previously. So I have to remove the previous version and download this one. Let me just remove this one. As you may see, you have FinTocch previously. I'm going to remove this, remove the management. Remove. And remove this one. Oh, this is a new version. This is a new version. So I'm gonna click on the install, free install, allow. Oh, it says again profile downloaded. So allow. So it comes here, and I have to. This is that one extra step on iPhones. So you're gonna come to FinTocch and click on this one here. It says install. Punch your passcode. And it's gonna start installation, trusted device. So if it was Android, you wouldn't have this extra steps, but on iPhone, you have to go through this, couple more simple steps. Done. Let me pause the video, and I see you after it's been downloaded. Okay, so the app is downloaded into my iPhone. Here you see the app. So I click on FinTocH now. So see, it's easy that you can log into your wallet. But because I removed the app, the previous version, and now I re-downloaded the app, I have to punch basically the passwords, those 12 words that you have to put in the safe place. If someone have those 12 words, they're gonna be having your funds, and no one is gonna be responsible but you yourself alone. So just make sure it's in the safe place. Let me just punch my 12 words. So I click on this one here. I click the identity wallet. I have to click not the create wallet. I have to restore my wallet, right? So over here, I have to punch my 12 phrases that I saved previously. I'm gonna pause the video right now here to punch this one and come back again. Okay, so I put those 12 phrases in order from the word number 1 up to word number 12 in order, and put my security password and restored my identity wallet. So this is my wallet now. Basically, the app is downloaded, and this is my own wallet after I put my security password and those 12 phrases. Now, if I want to go to see the profits, so you can go over here to see your profits, or do the lending, or check the browser, or see your wallet. So if I click on this profit here, so this is my profit. This is in the aggregation pool balance, my lending, and I can withdraw this money, or I can have this money to let it run and earn another 1.5% per day on this one. So let me just tell you the summary. Whatever money that you put in the wallet, right now currently on this wallet, I have 3,600 USDT on this wallet, USDT, $3,600. So I'm earning 1% per day. 1% per day. So it means I'm earning $36 per day, right? So if I keep that $36 over here, I'm gonna earn another 1.5% on that $36 per day, on that 1% per day that I'm earning. So you gotta have your own game plan. Don't be greedy, guys. Don't try to be a millionaire with one app, with one platform. Oh my God, I'm gonna make a fortune. I'm gonna be retired on one platform. Because you never know. Maybe they're all here now, they're working fine, and they disappear tomorrow, right? Don't be greedy. Take your initial fundings out, and then let's play with house money, right? You gotta have your own game plan. And again, nothing on my channel is a financial advice. It's just my journey I'm sharing with you, and basically it's not a financial advice. It's just for educational and entertainment purposes only. If you like, basically again, check the FinTocH video that I uploaded previously on my channel. Subscribe to my channel, hit the ring bell to get notified and informed about any updates and any other opportunities that I talk about, and hit the ring bell button to get notified right away. I have a Telegram link too. You could be part of my Telegram channel too, so you get notified on your phone when I upload any and talk about any opportunities. Anyhow, so over here you can click on the wallet. You can add this one works same as many other wallets. If you have, let's say, Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, this is FinTocH wallet. You could deposit money in BTC, BNB, FTC, and ATH, and USDT obviously, to this wallet, and then click on profit, right? And you see your earnings. you could do basically you could go to the lending, enter the amount over here, how much you would like to deposit from your wallet. Let's say I have $1,000 in my wallet in USDT, but I want to have, let's say I want to lend $500. So I come over here and punch $500 over here. And it works on 3 different chains: Binance Smart Chain, Tron Chain, and FTH chain. So depends on which chain you are more comfortable to work with. So I prefer to work with Tron Chain because it's, I have a great experience working on this blockchain. It's very cheap, very fast. I love it. Anyhow, so once you deposit your USDT in your wallet, you could choose how much of that money you are willing to lend it. Each lending cycle is 7 days. 7 days. After 7 days, you can withdraw your capital, and your profit you can withdraw every single day. Or if you like, you can have profit on profit. So if you leave your profit 1% a day, if you leave that profit, whatever your earnings are, you could earn another 1.5%, if I'm not mistaken, 1.5% on it too. So you could leave the reinvestment button on. So after 7 days is over, you don't have to come back and redo it again. So it's just basically goes for another cycle, another 7 days. So it's very easy. It's very easy. It works same as MetaMask wallet, Trust wallet, many other wallets. Please watch the video I uploaded. I'll talk about in depth about FINTOCH. This is one of my favorite platforms that I'm involved in. Currently, over 49 million users, 49 million wallets are generated, and they're working with FINTOCH. They have many events all over the world. Please do your own due diligence. I share my experience. You don't have to trust whatever I say. You don't have to put your hard-earned money in the platforms that I put myself. Just do your own due diligence. I'm just sharing my own experience. Nothing on this channel is a financial advice. It's just for entertainment and educational purposes only. I love this platform myself. Currently on this wallet, I have $3,600, as you may see. Let me just go to this profit tab. $3,600. So $36 per day I'm earning on this, and I leave that $36 to earn another 1.5% on it. The FTH coin this is the FTH coin. It's their own local equity coin. They are trying to establish and implement their own blockchain. This is going to be their own the governance token on their blockchain. So when I started this platform, the FTH, if I'm not mistaken, it was around, let me just tell you the number. I guess I wrote it somewhere. Not quite sure, but when I started, I remember it was about $38,000. But currently, as I'm showing this platform now, this wallet now, it is $86,000. And some people, they're asking me, hey, why we don't see in CoinMarketCap? It's more than above Bitcoin. Yeah, this is not listed in any other exchanges, nor on the CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko or somewhere else. This is their own local coin, and they are using this coin as their own governance token on their own blockchain. So I don't personally. I have my own game plan, so you should have yours. I prefer to withdraw my initial capital, gradually, and leave some of my profits on the platform to earn 1.5% on it, plus earning this FTH coin too, right? It's a great decentralized wallet. Personally, I really like this DeFi wallet. If you don't know what the DeFi is, please do your own due diligence and see what the DeFi is. They are saying they are planning to go on NASDAQ in 2024. So I believe there are some requirements to be on NASDAQ. So I guess they have to have minimum 1 billion wallet. As they grow, I see, it is possible. Nothing is guaranteed. Nothing is guaranteed. So, but it is possible they're going to be listed in 2024 as they planned on NASDAQ. I have seen so many videos on YouTube. If you do your own, as part of your own due diligence, they're talking so negative about these platforms, about these wallet too. They're saying, this is a scam. Maybe it's a scam. I don't know exactly what's going on. You should do your own due diligence. But knowing there's a possibility, every platform is a scam. Maybe they disappear tomorrow. But I put $3,600 into this wallet address right now, as you may see over here. You could this is your passive income, but if you like, you could have you could share your link with your friends, with your families, and earn on the affiliate part too. And by the way, if you want to use my link to register with this FinTocch, you can find the FinTocch link over here down below in comment section. That's it for now, guys. It's very easy to use. If you're familiar with MetaMask wallet or any other wallet, it's pretty much similar. It's very easy to use. You basically go to the wallet, deposit some some money, USDT, in 3 different chains. You could have in Binance chain, Tron chain, or Ethereum chain. So you could fund your wallet in USDT in different chains and put your money, put whatever investment amount that you like over here, and 7 days cycle. After 7 days, you can withdraw your capital and say goodbye to the platform. It's very easy to do the lending, and that's it for now. Again, do your own due diligence. Don't trust anybody in the world, any platforms. Maybe you see a platform, it's very legit, and they scam you, they exit tomorrow, and when you come back over here, you don't see this anymore. So don't put all your money in one place, and do your own due diligence. Again, nothing on this channel is a financial advice nor the legal advice. It's just for entertainment purposes only. But I love this platform, I respect this platform, and you see I put my money where my mouth is. That's it for now, guys. Again, I want to thank you all for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done, and click the ring bell to notify when I upload a new video and talk about some other opportunities as well. It's a pleasure to be able to bring incredible platforms to you guys, to help you guys to increase your portfolios, diversified, and earn additional stream of income. Thank you, and see you on the next one.